look at this handsome dude. Now, I've been asked about my finish on my dogs recently, and as you can see here, this handsome dude, he still looks pretty nice. And one of the reasons why I'm able to get my finish nice is because most of my dogs, if not all of them, they come on a regular schedule. So this lovely one, he comes every 6 weeks. So as you can see, he's still got a lovely shape to his face. It's nice and clean around his mouth. You can still see he's got a nice length on his body still, easy to maintain. And when I do my fluff drying and get him nice squeaky clean, I can follow the shape that I put in. So that is one of the reasons why my finish might look a little bit better. Another reason, like I said before, about being squeaky clean, I also give all my dogs a lovely facial and get their face lovely and clean. The one I like to use are the tailless facials, and I'm using the face first as well with a blueberry pie, and it's a lovely exfoliator because obviously they eat and they put their faces in things, eat pigeons, and generally, you know, have a dirty mouth sometimes. So I always make sure that their face is really clean. I give 2 shampoos on the body. I use my foaming, which you've seen on my other TikToks, and also I've got a frother video on the YouTube. So I love the frothing. It gets the shampoo very even distribution, soaks into the coat really well, and grabs that dirt and washes it away, followed by another shampoo. Yeah, so number 2 reason. Another reason is I use a shampoo which is relevant to the dog that I'm grooming. So for instance, this lovely one here, I'm using a nice deep cleansing shampoo. I'm using Cherry Oats, which is Chris Christensen. It smells beautiful and the dilution rate is amazing. It's like 50 to 1. So that is another reason why your finishing will look a lot better. Remember your 5 P's, and if you don't know them, Google it. So there's more. So now he's had a nice deep cleanse, a facial. He's squeaking and smelling beautiful. Now I've taken out lots of oils with the deep cleansing, so not forgetting to put some conditioner back in. Now you can, there's lots of different ways you can put conditioner back into the coat. You can just use a simple spray before you blast, during you blast, to get them nice and soft and straight. I like these products, the Arturo. You can get keratin and protein, and all I do is put a tiny little bit in my hands, tiny bit, massage it around my hands, and then I dab it onto his ears, onto his tail, and dab it in, and it helps keep a bit of condition back in the coat. So here he is, all beautiful and clean and ready for trimming. And as you can see, he's still got a lovely shape. It's nice and even already. And when I now clip that, because I've lifted it all from the roots, when I clip, it's gonna help the clip to be a lot more even because the coat's nice and straight. with a really good scrub, a facial, adding your conditioner if needed, and doing a really good blow dry, ready for the first trim. And if you weren't sure what the 5 P's were and you can't find it on Google, it is prior preparation prevents